iPhone 16 Storage Hogs. How to find and fix apps eating up your space. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, swipe across and find Settings. Now tap on the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. And in here, you will see a list of apps. It will be displayed in the order of the settings. So the apps that uses up the most storage will be displayed at the top of the list. From here, you can work your way downwards, and you can tap on the app that use up a lot of memory. So here, if I go into Uber Eats, it uses up 370 megabyte. Now, if you don't use this app, you can either offload the app or you can completely delete the app. So here, if I tap on delete app and then tap on delete app, I will now have 370 megabytes back into my storage space. And that's it. So that is how you can review apps that uses up the most storage space on your iPhone, and you can take the required action. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.